Yeah.
Yeah, the pressure's on now. We're going to stay on this. Come on. No, we're going to work on that side. Come on.
You can see Mom?
Howdy, folks, and welcome aboard the Tweetsie Railroad. The train crew here at Tweetsie has made this one of the safest railroads in the United States. We need your help to keep it that way. Please do not stand or move around the cars while the train is in motion. At no time should you attempt to pass between one car and another.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Engineer Casey Jones. While the deputies are loading this special shipment on the train, let me remind you to keep your head and hands inside the car at all times. With your head inside the car, you're less likely to catch a painful cinder in your eye.
Here we go.
There we go!
Hold up just a sec, Casey.
There we go! There we go! There we go!
Here we go.
Ladies and gentlemen, as we pull out of the station, you might want to wave goodbye to any family, friends, or even strangers that we're leaving behind. This is usually a pretty safe trip, but when Tweetsie carries the payroll or dynamite bound for the mining camp, anything can happen. Coming up on your right is the Tweetsie Junction and Pavilion, featuring the Hootenanny Hoedown, a special show for you youngers. See Mitzi, Pat, Billy Bob, and Looney Bird perform some good old country classics. You might also visit the train museum and learn about the history of Tweetsie on Mountain Railroad.
It's a horsey. A horsey right there. We're going down the train ride.
Deputies go check out the fort while me and the passengers keep an eye out for Indians.
Again!
Open fire! Look, man, you take him. You go back there and you just see if you can pull the fire out, okay? All right. You know, I knew there were renegades out here, but I had no idea they'd be attacking the fort.
There are no renegades out here. I can smell the Indians 10 miles away from here. I was a scout for Custer.
A scout for Custer?
Yep. I can tell when there's Indians around.
You can tell when there's... Boy, I wouldn't be bragging about being a scout.
No! You shot him!
I didn't mean to. He startled me. Butterbean, are you okay?
Yeah, you just shot me in the head, that's all.
Oh, he'll be okay. Hey, Butterbean!
Yeah!
Did you see any of those savages up there?
Well, no, I didn't see any savages up here, but I did see a nice chief fella. He gave me this nice tomahawk.
He gave you a tomahawk?
Yeah!
What? Why did he give you a tomahawk?
Why did he give me a tomahawk?
Yeah, why did he give you a tomahawk?
Well, because I traded it.
You traded it?
Yeah, for my gun.
You traded? Wait a minute, Butterbean!
Look at this!
Oh,
He gave me this too!
He gave you that too!
What is it?
It's a stick of dynamite! That way! That way! Get it! Let's go get it!
They're just make-believe. They're just make-believe.
What's going on out here? Indians? there. Hush up, hush up. I think y'all have a little bit too much cotton candy, but to prove it to you, let me show you. There are no Indians up there, okay? There you go. Wait a minute! What are you doing up there?
Well, I'm playing this nice game that the chief fella taught me.
Then, boy, it ain't no game. You're gonna get somebody hurt. Those friends back there trying to kill us.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, gee, I'm
Now,
sorry.
here's what you do.